Assalamu alaikum. I am here on the stage of Ali English House Academy. We give opportunity to our students to develop their personality and skills. Let's hear a speech from my younger brother, Sabir.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say hadith. इत्तक़िल्लाह हैसुमा कुंता. तुम जहाँ कहीं भी रहो अल्लाह से डरो. Thank you for listening to me patiently. Jazakallahu khairan. Have a nice day.
It was wonderful hadith. I will translate it in English. Wherever you will be, fear from Allah. Allah is there. Thank you for listening to me patiently. Jazakallahu khair.